Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Shopify for branded product pages step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in www.shopify.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. On the Shopify homepage, locate the Start Free Trial button. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address in the required field. Create a strong password for your account. Choose a unique store name that represents your brand. Click on Create Your Store. Answer the questions regarding your business setup. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Indicate whether you are already selling products. Provide additional information to help personalize your setup. Once you have answered the questions, click Next. Fill in your personal details such as your name and address. Enter your phone number for account verification. Click on Enter My Store. You will be taken to your Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Navigate to the Online Store section in the left sidebar. Click on Themes to select your store's design. Choose a theme that fits your brand aesthetic. Click on Customize to edit. In the theme editor, modify the header, footer, and other sections as needed. Save your changes regularly. Navigate back to the dashboard and click on Products. Select Add Product to create your branded product pages. Fill in essential details like product title, description, and images. Set the price and any variations for your products. Choose the appropriate inventory status. Optimize SEO settings for better visibility online. Once completed, click Save to publish your product page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.